Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm in the car now on my way to the berry farm in Chatham, New York. The berry farm has all kinds of herbs that they grow in greenhouses. I'm hoping to find fresh rosemary sprigs because I want to make pasta with fried rosemary. So I'll try to give you some of the view as we drive along. All right, I'm on Route 203 now, between the town of Kinderhook and the town of Chatham. It's about 70 degrees outside. Amazing. And today's only March 8th. Yeah, not too much traffic, thank goodness. There's a lot of farmland in my area. There's a farm over here. This is a cornfield that was chopped down last fall. They will be planting again very soon. I hope you can see okay. This is the first time I've tried recording whilst in the car. Here, we'll look straight ahead. Okay, we've arrived at the berry farm, and it doesn't look like much because, well, it's not officially spring yet, so they don't have all of their flowers and vegetables out. But I'm going to go inside, and I'm not going to bring the camera because, well, I don't know if it's okay to film inside. So we'll be back. Okay, well, it's too bad we couldn't go inside. The owner of the berry farm is actually a friend of mine, and I'll have to ask him if it's okay to record. I bet he'll say yes. Anyway, let me show you what I bought. So I got 2 bags of this beautiful fresh rosemary. I also bought 2 bags of this equally beautiful Italian parsley. And again, they grow this right in their greenhouses. Okay, I'll see you back at home. Well, I might as well give you some of the view on the way home. We're coming up on a Dutch house over here. This would have been built in the late 18th century. Probably couldn't see that because I'm driving too fast. Sorry about that. There's another. This is a federal house over here. Yeah, there are a lot of 18th and 19th century houses in my area. Here's Tierra Farm. They buy organic fair trade coffee and nuts, like almonds and whatnot, and they roast them right at that facility. It's a terrific place. Here's a really old barn. Kind of nice having this camera here. If I get pulled over, I can record the police officer or the trooper. They'll have to be nice to me. And by the way, just as I said trooper, one drove past in the other direction. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off. Okay, home safe and sound. Thanks for taking that little drive with me. I wanted to show you a better view of the herbs I purchased at the berry farm. So they come in bags like this. And here is the rosemary. It's super fragrant. And here is the Italian parsley. Let me open this. Rip. Oh, this is gorgeous. A bouquet of Italian rosemary, parsley, also known as flat leaf parsley. So, a little later I'm going to film a video of this pasta dish that I'm experimenting with. It will have fried rosemary and chickpeas and probably parsley too, since I have it. Okay, hope you'll watch the next video. Bye for now.